Okay guys, I'm at the salon. Care Bear. We got our eyebrows done first. Look at us. You see that thread gang? You see it? See it? Yes. The first time in 4 years when we get this puffball all taken care of. First time getting a silk press or being in a salon chair, having somebody else do my hair since 2014.
Since 2017, September.
Well, you get yours done like once a year.
Yeah, but I haven't got done September last year, so it's been over a year.
Oh. I know I need like more of my ends trimmed, even though I trimmed my ends like 2 months ago. But I just want it all off, but I'm still nervous. Like, I don't want to have to start all the way over from like neck length. Hopefully it won't come to that. How long you think your hair is going to be now? Mind you, her hair is already long.
Right there.
Either way, I'm gonna just get it all chopped off and then I'm just gonna start fresh. I already got my hair vitamins and all that, so. So I didn't think that was going to be too much of an issue. I didn't know about whether if it was going to revert or not, but I knew it will flat iron pretty well. As you can see there, it gets pretty straight, pretty easy. And you can kind of see where my ends need to be trimmed now. I can't wait till it's like that length, but just with my full healthy hair, not just straggly ends. I don't even think that's cute. To me, honestly, seeing this footage now, because I couldn't see, you know, what it looked like. Everyone just had to tell me what it looked like. I couldn't see it at all. I actually think the finished product that I did see before actually getting to see this video now looks, you know, just as good, actually better than what I'm seeing now, finally getting to watch the footage along with you guys. So yeah, I'm absolutely fine with what she took off. I'm actually really glad it's just all healthy hair now, but we'll get to that part. Right now we're just, you know, seeing how she's flat ironing my hair, and I was really surprised how easily my hair took to flat ironing after 4 years. So this is where it's all done. You can see the full length there, kind of. You can see where them ends are scraggly, for sure. So it looks like I'm probably gonna need like an inch cut off. Inch or 2 inches, I can't tell from this distance. But she showed me in the mirror before she did it, and I was happy with that. I didn't want, you know, those straggly dead looking ends or nothing like that. We just want all healthy hair going into 2019, no dead weight. And my sister was getting a close up for you guys while we were waiting for her to come back. You can see her in the mirror. And here's where we're going in. And you can see there, she just took about an inch off, I would say, but it was needed. Maybe an inch and a half, because she will go back in the video. You'll see further on and trim just a little bit more off of there, but it's just about an inch, which is what I expected, what she showed me, and it looks so much better this way. I am very happy with it. That's what I came for in the first place, you guys, was really for the trim portion. I just wanted professional trim, somebody get in there and get rid of all the dead hair. So after that, she just went ahead and started like kind of styling my hair after the cut, because you know you gotta have like bone straight ends to see what you're doing. But she's gonna bump it under for me and give me a few feathers and all of that. It's looking like after completion. It's looking so healthy and full, guys. And I still retained some length. I was so worried she's gonna have to cut me back to like on top of my shoulders or neck length, but that is not what happened. So I am very happy with the results. It looks so healthy and so good after all those years of just having damaged hair. Finally, it's back to normal. No see-through hair, none of that. But anyways, right now what she's doing is doing she called it the California wrap, but you know what it is, like the wrapping of your hair with the saran wrap, and then she sticks me under the dryer for like 10 minutes total. And then that helped my hair to just train to be wrapped again. And I think it also helps it, like, if I remember correctly from back in the day, it helps your hair to kind of be flowy and stuff like that. But the main point for this was because I hadn't wrapped my hair in years. I mean years since I tried to wrap my hair. So she's helping it train to kind of stay that way when I did it that night and continue to do it while my hair is straight.
Good thing you wore yellow. I can see the contrast.
Okay, so guys, this is the final look after my cut.
This is the finished product. Try to show you on the back.
But yeah, so I'm happy with the results. I had to fix my part a little bit just because you know how you just know where you want your part, but you can't explain it to other people. At least I can't. I just had to do it myself. So yeah.